Hi, this is Chris and welcome to Winemaker TV. If you like wine, if you like mead, and if you like cider and you want to learn how to make it for yourself, this is the place for you. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll know every time I come out with a new wine and a new video. Today I'll be bottling up some of my cranberry cider, so stay tuned. Today we'll be bottling up 3 gallons of my cranberry hard cider. So if you want to learn how to make that, there'll be a card coming down right here, and I'll be going through the process I use to bottle that up, so stay tuned. Here's my 3 gallons of cranberry hard apple cider, and I like making the 3-gallon batches because it perfectly fits into a case of these Grolsch style flip top bottles, which I like. So you'll need a case of Grolsch bottles. You need a bottling bucket, and if you don't have a bottling bucket, you can make your own, and there'll be a card that tells you how to do that. And I always make sparkling cider, so you'll need some sugar. I put a teaspoon of sugar per bottle, and of course you need a funnel to get the sugar into the bottles. And you'll need to transfer from your cider, you need to transfer it from your fermentation vessel to your bottling bucket. Both of this has been sanitized, so you'll need a racking cane. So let's get started. First step will be transferring the cider to our bottling bucket. While that's transferring to the primary, you can go ahead and prime your bottles. So I've done this row already. So there's 2 schools of thought. Prime the bottles, each bottle, or add 24 teaspoons to your bucket, whatever that comes out to. I've done it this way. I've always just primed my bottles, and you can even buy these little priming capsules that even save you from even having to measure out. So that's how I've always done it, and that's how I like it. And I'll always like my ciders dry and sparkling. So I'm going to finish this up and we'll be right back. I had a question posed to me about how do I clean my bottles. After I drink the cider that's in there, I rinse them out real good, and I tip them over into a mason jar to let them drip dry, and then I put them in the dishwasher with all my other dishes. And then when it comes bottling day, I just sanitize, and that's it. If you clean up all your stuff as soon as you're done with it, none of this yeast and all this cake on there, and it's easy. As long as you clean up as soon as you're done with it, you'll have no problems whatsoever. So, and another thing to consider with these Grolsch bottles, when you bottle them, flip these little O-rings over, and you'll be good to go. Okay, cider's been transferred from your primary to your bottling bucket. Spouts hanging over to the side. Here comes the easy part. Fill it to about 1 inch from the top of the neck. Fill it about 1 inch from the top of the neck, and you are done. Turn the O-ring over. Repeat it 24 more times, and you'll have yourself some bottled cranberry hard apple cider. So we'll be back to wrap things up because the cranberries displaced some of my apple juice. I didn't get the full 24 bottles. I did get 20, but I did get this left over. Let's try it. Ooh, real tart. I like it. Other than my hop cider, I think this may be the best cider I've ever made. Ooh, I like that. So if you like what you see here, there'll be affiliate links in the description below to Amazon. Even if you do not need any equipment or ingredients, those links I'll get commission when you purchase even your own everyday normal Amazon purchases. That will help me buy more equipment, more ingredients, so I can continue to make more videos for you guys. So please do that for me. Also, there's links in the description below to my Facebook group, so you could join there, and we'll swap tips and tricks, build a community. This, while this is, well, after bottling this, take about 3 weeks to get the sparkling to where I like it. After that, you can put it in the refrigerator and enjoy it. This is Chris with Winemaker TV, and that's all there is today.